Today we are going to do a personalized video booking application in Figma. So if you're a beginner, this is kind of a project for you. I'll go step by step into how you can be able to achieve that. So the first thing we are going to do is to get to our frame. So if you go to the tool bar at the top here, you see frames. We click on frames. The frame we are going to use is the iPhone 13 Pro. So after getting the frame, I need to give it a border radius. So border radius of 20. Right, so I'm going to zoom out. When you want to zoom out, you can go to the top right corner here. You see your zoom options. You can zoom out like this, or you can zoom in, or you can press Ctrl plus when you're on Windows, and then Command plus or minus when you're on Mac. Okay, so with my frame selected and everything, I go to my toolbar again. I get my rectangle. Go here, select rectangle. So I'm going to draw the rectangle over my frame. Okay, so this is it. Now next thing I'm going to do is to go to my plugins, go to Unsplash, and then get an image inside this rectangle. Plugins, Unsplash, and then search for people. So I want one that has a group of people there. Okay. It depends on what you're looking for. If you find the image that you want, let me try this and see how it looks. Okay, you can select an image, and then you see how it looks like on a device that you want to use. So I think I'll pick this one, this particular one. All right, so with this image selected here, the next thing I'm going to get is to get an overlay over it. But first of all, I'll lock the rectangle so that it does not move around anymore. When I select, it does not move around. Okay, so with this done, I'll select a rectangle again, and then I'll draw it over the image again, the same width and height. Okay, the same radius again of 20, and now get the fill color to be black. Once the fill color is black, once the fill color is black, the rectangle is selected, you go to the properties column here, and then you see the layer, the pass through. I'll let it pass through. Let's say, okay, for now I'll pick 70%. I took 70%, even too much. Let's go higher. Okay, 75. Okay, let's play around with 75 and see. All right, so with 75, next thing I'm going to get is a text. So I click on the T here at the top, and what I want is to say personalized care. One. Now once you are done with the text, you come to the fill here, and then I want it to be white. Okay, first of all, you can move the text onto the frame, move it onto the frame, and then come to the fill and then make it white. Yeah, so once it's white, you have something like this. All right. Okay. So once it's like this, the next thing I'm getting is to get a line. Here, since it's an iPhone, okay, I'll get a rectangle like this, and again I'll use the border radius. This is an iPhone, so that when you swipe, okay, it's already in the middle, so I don't need to position it. And then you can preview your design whilst you're designing. You can, on the top right corner, you see this play button here, the present. Click on present, and to take you to the presentation mode, which will pop up like this. Okay, so this is our presentation mode. So I like how it's looking so far. Back to my design here. I then need a button and then an icon as well. So first of all, I'll get my button. So to design a button again, we go to our shape tools and then get a rectangle again. So I draw, click, and then drag. Again, once again, you do the border radius. So border radius, you're getting C30. Okay, and then we change the fill color to white again. Drag the color palette to the top, so you have white. You right click and then get plugins, and in my plugins I go to Iconify. If you don't know where to get your plugins, you go to your Figma, the top left corner, go to menu, and you see plugins. You go to the bottom of your plugins, you see browse plugins in communities. Once you browse plugins in community, you can search for Iconify. You see Iconify, you install it, and then you can also get for Unsplash. Those are the two plugins I used. So Unsplash, and then you also install it. Okay, now back to my design here. So I go to plugins, get Iconify. It's on Iconify. I get the arrow. I'll get arrow. For the arrow, I'm going to select this one. So once you click, and then you can drag and drop it here onto your workspace. Okay, I select the vector, and then I'm going to use the vector, so hold shift, alright. You can go to the sidebar here, or you can see your layers and your assets over here. This is the icon that I just picked from icon. If I click below it, you see the vector, and then you increase the stroke. Go to the properties column, increase the stroke. Can do it outside. Okay. Let's reduce it more. Okay, it's outside, same side. Okay, pick it to the outside. Okay, so with that, if I drag it here, and then you can put your cursor to the edge of it, to the edge of the design, then you rotate it. So then as I go to the stroke, and I change the stroke color to white. Now the icon doesn't look quite like what I wanted, so I'll delete it and iconify again. Okay, pick this guy in here. Okay, this looks like what I wanted. Minimize it. I'll delete the old frame. Yeah. Select the vector, minimize it, drag it onto my frame what I'm working with. Go to the edge, hold shift, rotate, so I can rotate evenly 90 degrees. You minimize it, go to my fill, change it to white. Okay. Now I'm going to go to my tools, get an ellipse tool, hold shift to draw a circle. Bring the circle here. Okay, so this I think I would change the fill color of the circle to a little bit darker. Then I'll drag my icon into it and then minimize it. I'm going to zoom in now so I can see clearly what I'm doing. Yeah, I can still preview it. Go to my preview, and this is how it looks like. I think the icon is too big. It's too big, so go here, hold shift, reduce the icon. Okay, fill color, let's be a little dark. Okay, looks quite like what I wanted. To my preview. Yeah, cool. Now I'm going to put a text inside my rectangle that I have here. Come to the top text tool. Inside here I say okay, sounds good. Properties, and then I reduce the font color. Okay, position it middle here. Looks good to me. All right, I'm going to get another rectangle again. I'm going to get two rectangles. You see what I'm going to do with them? Go. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, 16. Okay. This looks like it. Curve it again. Change the fill color. And then I'm going to duplicate it by, you can hold Alt to duplicate. Hold Option on mark, duplicating it. You can make one black, make a little dark. And then you make one shorter. This one is going to be shorter. The white one is going to be shorter. Okay, so place it over it. Okay, so this looks okay. Yeah. Okay, I think I should reduce it. I should reduce the height a bit so I can go to the top here. My height is not 10, I can bring it down a bit. Yeah, and then bring it down. I think that's okay. I'll bring my text again, T, and I'll say this is 2 of 5. Yeah. Okay. You know, I'm going to bring some text over it. Use lorem. Okay, use my plugin. Use lorem. So text layers. I get a text layer. I want this 5 sentences, so I then generate, and there we go. Click on the text and then reduce it. Yep. Let's reduce it. So bring it down. So I'm going to reduce the can do the pass-through a bit. Okay. To carry some of the text. Okay. So it's good to me. So this is my first screen, and I'm going to do my second screen now. So I can change the name of the frame to 1 to my first screen. Again, I get go to my frame and get a frame again. Same iPhone 20. Get to my rectangle and I'm locking it. Rectangle. Okay. I'll lock the change the color to black, and I'll lock the frame here, and I'll lock the rectangle. So with this, we'll get another rectangle, and this one is going to be something different. So I'll do a square, hold shift, yeah. Yeah. Drag it down. Okay, I think I'll get the rectangle over here. I'll hold out, drag it down here. I think we're good now. Okay. It's good. I think I'll bring it down. Hold shift. Okay, no, hold shift. Now bring it down here. I'll reduce it, the size. So it's 330 by 330. And the top, I'll curve the top here. Okay, let me change the fill. Okay, so the top one, let me change the 0, top 20. Okay. My laptop kind of froze for a bit. Yes, freezing now. Let me give me 20 and 5. Now I'm going to hold out and duplicate it. After duplicating, now I'm going to rotate it. So shift and then rotate it. Yeah. What I'm going to do now is to add images to it. So first of all, let me give the top rectangle, let me give it a stroke. So I click on the stroke here, change the color to blue, and then let me see. Yeah, so this is fine, I think. Okay, the plugin Iconify. Oh no, not Iconify. Unsplash. So for this, I get people. Someone is doing a video course. Okay. Let's see how that looks. Person must be in frame. Yep. This is good. I click on the bottom one as well. Okay. The image does not load. Looking for an image again. You see, upside down. Okay. Okay. I get it. Okay, hold shift to bring it back. Change this top to 0, change the bottom to 25, then 25 again. Yeah, so the bottom part. Okay, so that is, I think that will do. Okay, I think I did more curves around it, so maybe 30. Okay, 30 is good. I'm getting an icon, so iconify. Get iconify, and then I'm searching for audio, and then something like an audio wave. Okay, audio. All right. Okay, again this and see if I can change the fill. Sweat. Okay. Let me see. Okay, so vector. That is good. So I can change the fill of the vector to whatever I want. Alright, good. Let me select it, drag it onto my image, hold shift and reduce the size equally, move it onto it. Okay, now I'm going to get a circle, hold shift, go to my clips, circle, go to fill, turn it to different variant on blue. Good. Choose it, zoom in, bring it on top. Okay, and I change the fill to white. Okay. Okay, I think I have what I wanted. I'm going to group the icon and the circle together. I'll press Ctrl G, or Command G, or right click and then in group select so I can move them together. Now I'm going to reduce the size a bit, like this. Okay. Okay, this looks like what I wanted. I'll preview it. Alright. I'm going to get the name of the person here. So rectangle. Change the fill color to black. Bring the radius. I'm going to make it big. preview. I think it's too big. Just a bit. I'm going to get a profile. So a profile picture. So I just right click. There's a plugin called profile. Okay, I can still go to Unsplash and get it. So let me get a circle. It's on Eclipse. Hold Shift. Go to Unsplash. Search for profile. This is an image of a person. Same thing. So with the profile, I can drag the profile onto this. Yeah. I need to reduce it a bit. Alright. So next I'm going to just get the name of the person and then the time the person is on the call. I should have gotten the same image here, but I'll get a text. The text is here's the Chondo. Duplicate the text one time so I can do come up here, reduce. I'm not using bold, I think I use medium. Okay. Preview. Okay, I need another audio icon. So go to Conify again. The same audio. This time around I'm getting okay, I'll use this. I do a circle, hold shift. Grab it onto it, get my vector icon. Okay. Alright, think it looks okay. Next I'm going to get my icons to the bottom. Get my bottom icons here. My icons on the bottom. I need my microphone, I need a sound, I need a video, I need a message, and then I need a close icon. Okay. This is taking a while. Okay. So quickly, I'm getting 5 circles. Okay, I'll push it to the side here. Yeah. Do tidy up, not this. Top 5 selected. Distribute horizontal spacing. Okay. I think I need to increase this size of this a bit. I duplicate now. I do distribute horizontal spacing. Okay. Alright. So I'm now going to get my icons, place my icons into them. Said I get iconify. And remember I said I'm getting the microphone. Get the microphone. Okay. So I can get the speaker or sound or audio. So I change the width to 30, the width and height to 30. The dimension is now 30 by 30. Okay, so drag it right here. Can I change the colors? Okay, that's fine. So let's start positioning them one by one. So I pick the microphone, drag it onto it, change the stroke color to white, reduce the stroke, yeah, so I'm getting the speaker as well. My fill color to white. Okay. So I get video. Yes, I can get some video. So I get this. Drag it onto the third one here. Fill to white. Hold shift. Okay. I get message. Change the message to change the background to blue. Yeah, I have it here, right there. Change the fill. Get the vector to white. Position it here. Okay. The last one I'm going to do is a close icon. Yeah, just the X. You can draw this on your own too. Let me change the fill color for the circle to red. Grab the X. The vector. Shift. Change the fill to white. Increases the width. Yeah, I should have locked it. Okay, so with this, yeah, this is what I have now. So I'm going to design the third screen. Design the third screen so I can minimize this. Delete this, delete this, and then see third screen. Nope, second. This is second screen. I'm going to design the third screen now. So it's still the frame, iPhone 13 Pro. I get my rectangle and I lock it. Give me 20. It's going to be white. On this white, I'm getting a text DSE session. Let me just increase the semi-bold session. Get to ruler. Get 24. Shift it here. Now I'm getting a text again. Grab this, duplicate it. I'll get text, active, and a text again. Pending, then get another text, finished. Alright, select all of them. Text of 16. Alright, so let me lock the rectangle so it does not move. So I lock it. Select my active here. Okay, with this I still get a rectangle. Get rectangle. Okay, wait. Yeah. And duplicate this. Change the height. Get a square. And get a rectangle. It's normal rectangle like this. Okay. 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 I'll get another rectangle again. Okay. Some spacing. Some more spacing. Okay. I can keep the profile section again. Can get a profile again. So a circle. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. My plugins. Yeah. Let me get user profile. So I want a female. It's set random. Yeah. Get a male. Set random. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 6, 9. So I need one more profile. I need to get a shape. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to get a new one. Set a random shape. Okay. Okay. So that's it. I've gotten my user profiles. Okay. Need the color of the stroke to black. Bring the user profile to the top here. Resize it. Okay. Let me bring zoom in, bring a text. Okay, I think my text should be in a shift. Bring it over here. Get the text inside it. We can do 5, like 5 pending messages or calls. Get a line. Hold shift. Change the stroke color. Get another line. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this line again. Duplicate. And then, okay. I can minimize it. Let's get the width of 20. Let's see. I think I need 40. Okay, I think I need 50. Place it on top. So the pending and the finish will have a different fill color. Yeah. Okay, it's coming to shape now. To shape a bit, so give it reduce this. And then we get a text. Okay, you can do into regular text. And then I do colon. Yeah, I think that's okay. Next up is I get some icons for call. Calls. Alright. Okay. So next up I'm going to get another circle. Get a circle. I want a perfect circle. I want 2 of them. Duplicate. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to get the call icon. Iconify. Call. Okay. I grab it into my. Okay, so just. Alright, so get the. Grab it into this. Change my fill color. It does not work. Just wonder why. Okay, stroke, right? It has a stroke color. Okay, it's not work. It's iconify. I get a different icon. When I got first did not work. See if I can. The fill color. Okay, so that's fine. I can change the fill color for this particular icon. Alright. then duplicate it up to here. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay. Let me get it paste it inside it. So let me rotate it. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So again, after positioning it, I duplicate the icon. Then I rotate this. So I have white. It's my fill. Let me change the background to red. Then get a fill. I'm getting a green. Yeah. Yeah. So I want the shape icon. I want a search icon. So I'm going to get reduce it a bit. So go to iconify. Go for the search. Okay. Yeah. So I get a text. Say search. Yeah, and just reduce. Yeah, is it okay? Alright, cool, that's fine. So next thing I'm going for these buttons. Can you feel? Give me the text to increase it. Yeah. Yeah. Sex. Give me text. Yeah. Yeah. I think I need another icon. It's like a graph. It's a graph. Yeah. So I can increase it. And then, yeah. Yeah. You can duplicate it. Yeah, so I duplicate both of them again. So I change. Okay, I'll group this, duplicate it again. Shift them to fill white. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So I can get a text again for this guy. Just pick it. Do 30. I can do client text. Yeah. For client. Okay. Okay. So I'm getting my profiles now. I'll get 4 of them. I think I should. Okay. Yeah. So I'm making it. Can make it stroke. Make the stroke color white. I can do that. I should do that for all of them. $36. Okay. Put something. Yeah. So that's cool. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That's how it looks like. We are almost done. It's been past an hour for the design. So we're almost done. So far so good. Okay, so what you're doing next is for give it a feel of white. Excuse me. With the stroke one, and then okay. Okay. So I bring my text again. You can do career. Career guidance. And then career guidance. So next thing is I'm doing let me see, LinkedIn. See how to book your LinkedIn profile, how to set up your LinkedIn profile. Okay. And then we can get the profiles. Yeah. the text. Under text, just probably set time. So LinkedIn profile guidance, can do 2 o'clock. PM. That is 2 hours 30 minutes. Yesterday, minutes. That's 2 hours. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Guidance, and then I'll get a rectangle again, make it curved, and then text. Use the group session. Now get the text. a bit into it. Alright, good position. Get another rectangle. This for me to wrap up. Text here is 36. Let's make this guy 36. And we have 16. Let's make this guy 16 as well. Okay, looks better. And we just have to position it very well in the same positioning. So, okay. Okay, position to the top. And the client. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to get a rectangle. That's my final one. Like this, position it here. Okay. Okay, and this, okay, I'll bring it to the bottom. Bring it to the bottom. I'm going to give it a curve at the bottom. Of 21. 21. Give it a stroke. And a stroke of 2. Give it the background. Okay, I'm doing outside. Give it the background of white. No, I'm changing the stroke color. My bad. Stroke color. Put this. I'm making a fill color of white. I think this guy needs to go down a bit, so change the stroke. I think this should be the same for this guy as well. Yeah. Okay. I think you see it to pop up. I put my rectangle in here. Okay. Yeah. Now what I'm going to do is to get icons. And the icons I'm going to get to get 5 icons and preview this. Maybe notes. All right. So what I'm getting is I can get a calendar. The calendar. Profile. I'm getting a bell icon. Turn the bell icon. Yep. Okay. That's it. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So we are good to go. We're done. I think I just need to prototype and clean this one up a bit. The icon is showing in the background. I don't know where it is. So let me get my outlines. Can't see any. Okay. Okay, still can't see it. Yeah, I don't know where it is. We'll figure it out later. I can't see it. Maybe it's just a bit. Decided. I just can't figure it out. Zooming in. Get my outlines again. It is nowhere to be found. Alright. Present it a bit. Okay. All right. So I think we are done now. So that's it. We can prototype it. So rename this one to third screen. So there's 3 screens here. So that's it. Okay. So we are good to go. That's it. So that's the end of this session. Hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, give it a like, share, turn on your notifications, and I'll see you in the next project. Hasta la vista.